We are pleased to welcome you to Executive Inn and Suites. This Goodlettsville hotel is within 3 miles or 5 kilometers of Mansker Station and historic Mansker Station Frontier Life Center. Also within 6 miles or 10 kilometers are TriStar Skyline, Madison Campus, and Nashville National Cemetery. Our hotel ensures that you will have a comfortable and relaxing stay. There is free Wi-Fi, free parking, a 24-hour front desk, a business center, and vending machines at the hotel. The hotel offers spacious rooms with coffee makers, microwaves, refrigerators, hair dryers, and premium channels. For all types of travelers, the Executive Inn and Suites Hotel is the perfect getaway. Other attractions in the area include Rivergate Mall, historic Mansker Station Frontier Life Center, Mansker Station, Amqui Station, Visitors Center, and Old Hickory Lake. Let us know if you would like to stay with us for a single night or several nights. Visit us at www.executiveingoodlettsville.com.